Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You sign in and get straight to work. Enable two-step verification and confirm channel verification so uploads aren't blocked. Once done, prepare your audio file and artwork, high-resolution cover, and consistent metadata matter because they affect discovery and rights reporting. Next, open YouTube Studio and click Create to start an upload. Make sure you're using the correct channel if you manage multiple ones. These steps unlock the features you need to publish music properly. You upload the track and set visibility immediately. Scheduling is handy for release plans while public releases reach fans now. As you fill metadata, be precise about artist names, SRC codes, credits, and genre because algorithms and royalty systems rely on them. Once that's set, handle content ID and rights. Choose whether to claim, monetize, or opt out because misconfiguring ownership can block monetization or trigger takedowns. Make sure to review these entries before proceeding to distribution. You finalize settings by enabling monetization and selecting ad formats if eligible. Checking the music policies panel avoids surprises. Once ready, schedule a premiere or publish immediately and add chapters, end screens, and cards to boost watch time and conversions. After publishing, monitor analytics for impressions and audience retention. If your upload is blocked or claimed, use the copyright claim tool or submit a dispute with ownership evidence. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.